Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for us. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, please, Fitriana, lead your friend to pray first.
Let's play Bismillah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, please don't forget to fill the presence ya di Google Form. This is the presence ya, ini presensinya ya yang harus kalian isi setiap hari. Before we start our lesson today, I wanna ask you, what is the material, the last material that we have learned? Apa kemarin?
Application letter.
Application letter. Application letter itu apa?
Surat lamaran.
Surat lamaran
Kerja.
Ya. Okay. I think you have already understand about application letter. So we move to our lesson today. Show you the video and the picture related to our material. Yeah. Okay.
Americans look ahead to the fall. Make that deadline after the company's booster data was found to be inadequate. The Biden administration adamant on waiting for approval. No one.
Okay, this is the video. Can you catch what the video about?
Vaksin.
Vaksin. Apa sih?
Swab.
Swab. You move to the picture. What is the picture about? Gambarnya?
Tentang penyakit menular COVID-19.
Penyakit menular COVID-19. The others yang lainnya?
Petugas COVID, Bu.
Petugas COVID. I will tell you why I ask you about this picture and this video, because today we will study about news item. Kalau news ada S-nya itu berita. Ya. Definisinya dari news item itu apa sih? A text that tell us an information of event or newsworthy event of the day. Ya, jadi sebuah teks yang menjelaskan menjelaskan informasi ya tentang peristiwa pada hari tersebut ya. Oke, please all of you repeat after me. News item.
News item
Is a text that tells an information of event or newsworthy event of the day. Itu social function. Ya, social function itu apa? Fungsi sosial. Ya, jadi fungsi sosial dari news item itu apa? To give actual information. Ya, untuk memberi actual itu apa? Aktual. Information apa? Informasi ya. Jadi fungsinya untuk memberi informasi yang aktual. Aktual itu apa? Nyata. Ya. Nah, nyata. I wanna ask you to identify the generic structure and the language features of this news to make sure that your answer is correct, sambil browsing atau sambil baca buku yang lainnya. Oke, time is up. Waktunya sudah habis. Now, please What is the generic structure of news item?
Headline.
Headline. And then?
Newsworthy.
atau
Or
non-event.
or main event.
Newsworthy or main event. Ada lagi?
Background event. Events.
Apa?
And background event.
Background events. Ya. Ada berapa generic structure-nya?
4.
Oke, there are 4. Ada 4 ya. Nah, I wanna confirm now. The generic structure of news item is headline. Ya. Headline itu apa? Judul. Ya. Kalau newsworthy yang kedua itu newsworthy atau main event. Main event itu apa? Di sini pendahuluan yang dimaksud dari newsworthy dan main event. Ya, pendahuluan. Kemudian setelah newsworthy atau main event, masuk ke background event. Background itu apa? Kalau ada kata background,
Latar belakang.
latar belakang. Ya, jadi background event itu artinya latar belakang kejadian. Nah, sources ini. Kalau sources itu apa?
Sumber.
Sumber. Ya. Nah, now please tell me, what is the language features of news item?
Simple present.
Present perfect tense. Future tense.
Future tense. Apalagi?
Indirect speech.
Coba benar apa enggak jawabannya kalian? Language features of news item is tenses-nya bisa lebih dari satu tenses, ya. Kenapa kok bisa lebih dari satu tenses, Bu? Depend on the condition, depend on the event. When the event, ya, hold. Then the second, ciri kebahasaan yang kedua, using direct and indirect speech. Nah, direct di sini artinya langsung. Kalau indirect, lawan
Tidak
kata.
langsung.
Oke, good. Ya, perkataan yang langsung dan tidak langsung. And the third, yang ketiga sekarang, use adverb. Adverb itu apa?
Kata sifat.
Kata keterangan. Nah, the fourth is passive voice. Ya. Terus yang terakhir, language should be clear. News item, karena kita membicarakan tentang news, jadi beritanya harus jelas. Work, you have done work in LKPD 1, ya. You have already answered generic structure and language feature about news item. Now I will divide you in LKPD 2. I will divide you into 5 groups. Kelompok pertama, the first group is Naila and Ayu. The second is Sofiatun and Sahira. The third is Nina and Azah. The fourth group is Afid and Utami. The fifth group is Triasi and Fitriana. I will make breakout room. Afid room 4, Utami room 4, Fitriana and Triasi room 5. Okay, please enter. You have to join based on the breakout room that I have made. Hello, Utami, Afid.
Miss.
No. Udah selesai? Sudah selesai belum?
Sedikit lagi.
Oh, sedikit lagi. Oke, good. Please continue your work. Silakan lanjutkan ya.
Oke, Miss.
Halo, Ayu Triasi. Ayu Triasi. Fitriana and Triasi. Have you done? Sudah selesai?
Sudah.
Sudah, oke, good. Now please move into main room ya. Okay, please present your assignment ya. Okay. Now time is yours, Nina and Azah.
Reuters health of all her patients
made at least one medication-related mistake after leaving the hospital, and guidance from a pharmacist did seem to reduce those errors in a new study.
Very good. Now, the fourth group. Grup yang keempat. Siapa tadi? Afid and Utami? Time is yours.
Indonesia put an impressive performance in their 2-0 defeat of Singapore.
Okay, very good answer. Riana and Riasi, time is yours.
An analyst could answer the growing dirt from Google and Facebook. The Evelyn, Mr. Rolsey, and Nick Bluton. Apple, which has stumbled in its effort to get into social media, is talked with Twitter in recent months about making a strategic investment in it.
Okay, very good. All of the groups has answered the question very good. Yeah. Now I will ask you about the conclusion. Ya. Konklusinya apa tadi? Social function-nya apa tadi? Social function dari news item? Tuh apa?
To give actual information.
Okay, to give actual information about the generic structure. Triasi? Headline, and then?
Newsworthy or main event.
Newsworthy and main event?
Background events.
Okay, very good. Now please, the language feature. Ciri kebahasaannya, Fitriana.
Past tense, simple present, present perfect tense, simple future. Using direct, indirect, using adverb, using passive voice, language should be clear.
Okay, very good. Yeah, you have conclude the material very well. So for the next assignment, yeah, for your homework, yeah, I will divide you into 2 groups. It's Naila, Ayu, Fitriana, Azza, and Utami. The second group, Sofiaton, Sahira, Nia, Triasih, and Afid. Jadi for LKPD 3, you make a news item, yeah. The topic is batik, yeah. And then for the subtopic, you can choose anything, ya. Untuk subtopiknya kalian bisa memilih apa saja, ya. And then you have to do role play, ya, with your friends related to the topic that you have choose, ya. Kemudian di-upload di Twitter. Now, after you have done study about news item, what is your feeling? Setelah kalian belajar tentang news item, perasaan kalian gimana? Happy or not? Senang apa enggak? Happy. Any question? Ada yang ditanyakan about our material? Ada yang ditanyakan enggak?
No.
No?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing. Okay, very good. The next meeting, we will study about procedure text. Okay. Thank you for all of your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you, everybody.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you, Utami, for the report. Everything we learned well again. That's all our news today. See you again in the next news.
Alright, Miss Asia. Dear viewers, Pekalongan is the worst city of batik. Many Pekalongan people take batik as their job. But in this pandemic situation, many owners of batik industry get depressed in their sales activity. To know more about this condition, now I'm with Miss Vidya as the owner of Batik Nuril.